Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a review of the GoPro LIT Hero, a compact, waterproof action camera that's perfect for anyone looking to capture their adventures in stunning detail. We found this product online and have added a link in the description, so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's get into what makes the GoPro LIT Hero a standout choice in the action camera market. First off, this camera is designed to be lightweight and compact, making it incredibly easy to carry around whether you're hiking, biking, or just exploring a new city. The user-friendly interface allows you to easily tap and swipe between video, photo, and slow-motion modes, which is perfect for those who may not be familiar with more complicated camera settings. One of the most impressive features of the LIT Hero is its ruggedness. This camera is waterproof up to 16 feet, or about 5 meters, which means you can take it along for snorkeling adventures, mud runs, or even just a rainy day out without worrying about damaging it. GoPro is known for its durability, and the LIT Hero is no exception, built to withstand all sorts of environmental challenges. But what truly sets this camera apart is its built-in light. This feature can be a game-changer when it comes to capturing footage in low-light conditions. With 3 brightness settings, you can easily illuminate scenes that might otherwise be too dark to film. This built-in light even works when the camera is off or charging, giving you flexibility in how you use it. When it comes to image quality, the LIT Hero doesn't disappoint. It captures Ultra HD 4K video at an impressive 60 frames per second, which means incredibly smooth motion capture. This is particularly beneficial if you're planning to shoot high-action activities like surfing or mountain biking. Plus, the ability to play back video in 2x slow motion allows you to relive those thrilling moments in detail. And if you want to capture stills, you can take 12MP photos or snag photos up to 11MP right from your videos using the GoPro Quick app. So, who is the LIT Hero suitable for? This camera is ideal for entry-level users who want high-quality footage without the steep learning curve that often comes with more advanced models. Whether you're a casual adventurer, a parent wanting to capture family outings, or a vlogger looking for a reliable camera to document your journey, the LIT Hero is a fantastic choice. Practical use cases for this camera are virtually endless. Imagine taking it on a beach trip, capturing stunning sunset shots with the built-in light illuminating your friends around a bonfire. Or think about using it while biking through rugged trails. Its stabilization technology will ensure your footage is smooth and enjoyable to watch. It's also great for travel, allowing you to document your experiences in vibrant detail, whether you're hiking through lush forests or exploring bustling city streets. In conclusion, the GoPro LIT Hero is a powerful yet accessible action camera that makes capturing life's adventures easy and fun. With its robust features, stunning imagery, and compact design, it's ready to go wherever you go. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.